Hi, this is Komal from Ashirwad Jaipur. Today I am here to showcase my Diwali as well as Karwa Chauth collection. All the designs we showcase is our own manufacturing, so we deal in both wholesale as well as retail. For any orders or queries, contact us on 96490 and our second number is 960226588. And please wait for 72 hours for your queries to be resolved. As and when we post the video, we get around 1800 to 2000 queries in one go. So it becomes very difficult to resolve all the queries. Please wait for 72 hours. So I'll start with my first design. I'll be starting with shararas, heavy collections. See, this is a sleeveless sharara. See the detailings. Gota detailings on the neck. Gota on the side slits, on the bottom. This is in muslin fabric. Same muslin fabric sharara. See the flare of the sharara. And see the dupatta with this. This is the organza dupatta and designer. See the dupatta. With the ruffles at the bottom. And portly bags. We have 3 colors in this. This is green. Mehndi green. Second color is this brown with orange combination. And third is this blue with yellow combination. So we have 3 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and price is 2695. 2695 is the price. Now this is a sharara in muslin. Bani print, pure muslin fabric. And see the work. Embroidery with these tassels in the center. Gota detailings on the side slits. Now this is a muslin sharara. Pure muslin. And this chiffon dupatta. With these detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and price for this is 2095. 46 also available in this. Now this is a peplum kurta. See the work all over the peplum kurta. This comes with this sharara. Inner is attached. See, inner is attached in the sharara as well as in the kurta. This is chanderi fabric. With this dupatta, malmal dupatta. We have 2 colors in this. This is onion pink and second is this blue. So we have 2 colors. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and price is 2295. 2295 is the price. Now this is a cotton kurta. See the gota detailings on the neck. Gota detailings all over the kurta. On the side slits. See the sharara with gota detailings. And contrast organza dupatta with the gota detailings. We have 2 colors in this, pink and blue. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2295. 2295 is the price. Now this is a sharara in rayon fabric. Sleeveless sharara it is. Gota detailings with handwork on the neck. This is complete handwork with these gota detailings on the bottom of the kurta. This comes with the sharara. See the flare of the sharara. Sleeves also there with these. With these shararas, sleeveless shararas, sleeves are there inside. With this organza dupatta with gota detailings. This is blue with red combination. We have 3 colors in this. This is grey with red and red with blue combination. So we have 3 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2395. Sleeves there inside. Now this is a muslin fabric. See the gota patti work on the neck. Gota detailings in the center, gota detailings on the side slit. muslin sharara with this, with goda detailing and pure chiffon dupatta. We have 3 colors in this: pink, blue and yellow. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1995. 1995 is the price. Now this is a cotton kurta with complete embroidery all over the kurta. See the embroidery. This is the sharara with this. Cotton fabric sharara and cotton kurta with this brush print dupatta, net dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2295. 2295 is the price. This is again an embroidered kurta. See the embroidery on cotton fabric, embroidery on the sleeves as well. This is the cotton sharara with this. Inner is attached with all the kurtas and shararas. And again a brush print dupatta with this. Net fabric dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2295. This is again a kurta with goda detailings on the neck. Goda detailings all over the kurta. On the side slits. This is the sharara with this. This comes with this organza contrast dupatta and potli bags. We have 2 colors in this, green and another is this peach. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2395. 2 colors. Now I'll show you my dresses collection. This is a dress, rayon dress. See the embroidery and handwork on the top. See the embroidery on the sleeves. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price for this is 1495. See the flare of the dress. Now this is again a dress in chanderi fabric. See the embroidery on the dress. Embroidery on the bottom. Inner is attached with this cotton inner. And these tassels in the center. These are adjustable. Sleeves also embroidered. See the back. Embroidery is there at the back also. This is a green color. We have grey color also in this. So 2 colors. Just a dress. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795. 1795. Now this is again a chanderi fabric dress. Full embroidered. See the embroidery. These are the tassels in the center. Embroidery is there on the sleeves. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1895. Now this is a dress in indigo. This is a 4-piece dress. This is the inner, sleeveless inner with this jacket on the top. Embroidery is there at the inner and the jacket. This comes with this pant and this cotton dupatta. So it is a inner, jacket, pant and dupatta, 4-piece set in indigo. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1995. 1995 is the price. Now this is a very nice and heavy dress. See the mirror work on the top with complete embroidery and sequence work all over the dress. See the belt with handwork. See the embroidery on the sleeves with mirror work and embroidery on the bottom. So this is a dress. Front and back is the same with complete embroidery. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 3195. See the tassels. This is for 3195. Now this is a muslin dress. See the gota detailings in the center. Gota detailings all over the kurta at the bottom. This is the muslin pant with this. And organza dupatta with this. See the gota detailings on the dupatta. It is very heavy with this portly bag. This is a black color. We have two colors in this. Black with red combination and this is blue with red combination. So two colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2495. 2495 is the price. Now this is a cotton dress with this shrug, short shrug, chiffly with this cotton, sleeveless inner. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1395. 1395 is the price. Now I'll show you the kaftans. This is a kaftan in Opada fabric. See the handwork on the neck. See the side slits. This comes with this crochet detailings on the bottom and melange pants with this. Opada fabric it is. We have three colors in this: green, pink and blue. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1795. 1795 is the price for that. Now this is also a muslin fabric kurta. See the handwork on the neck. See the sides. This comes with this muslin pant. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1695. Now I'll show you the variety in straight. This is a cotton kurta. See the gota detailings on the neck. Cotton pants with this and cotton full dupatta with this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1095. Again a cotton kurta. These are the pants with the gota detailings in the center. This is the full dupatta with this. Sizes available are again 38 to 46 and the price is 1095. This is again a cotton kurta with the embroidery on the neck. See the embroidery. Embroidery at the bottom of the kurta. These are the cotton pants with this and dupatta with crochet detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1695. Now this is a rayon dress. See the handwork on the neck. See the gota detailings on the side slits. These are the pants with this with chiffon dupatta. Gota detailings on the dupatta also. This is a rayon fabric kurta. We have two colors in this, red and green. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1695. Now this is in muslin fabric. This is a muslin fabric kurta with handwork and gota patti work on the neck. Gota detailings on the side slits. This is with this cotton sharara. And pure chiffon dupatta with gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1895. Now this is again a printed muslin kurta with handwork on the neck, gota detailings on the side slits. These comes with these muslin pants. Inner is attached with this kurta. Muslin kurta with inner is attached, and inner is there with this pants also. Lining is attached. This comes with this dupatta. See the work on the dupatta. Complete Mukesh work is there on the dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price for this is 1895. 1895 is the price. Again a muslin fabric kurta. See the embroidery with handwork on the neck. Gota detailings on the side slits. Inner is attached. Pants with the inner. Muslin pants. And pure chiffon dual shade dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 1895. This is also a muslin fabric with pitta work on the neck, pitta work all over the kurta. These are the pants with this, tassels on the sides, and with this organza dupatta with work. Work is there on the dupatta also. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2195. Again a muslin fabric kurta with complete handwork on the neck. This is the print. This is the print. The work is there on the neck. These are the pants with this. And see the dupatta. Printed dupatta with these tassels on all four sides. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1895. Again a muslin fabric kurta. See the handwork on the neck. Pitta work all over the kurta. These comes with this muslin pants. Inner is attached with these kurtas. Tassels on the side slits with these organza dupatta with work, pitta work on the dupatta also. Full dupatta with pitta work. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2195. This is again a muslin fabric kurta. Chikankari with sequence work all over the kurta. Have a look at the work. Inner is attached. These are the muslin pants with this. Inner attached in the kurta only. No inner is there with the pants as it is not required. No, lining is attached. This comes with this organza dupatta with work all over the dupatta. We have two colors in this, green and red. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2095. This is again a muslin fabric kurta. See the pitta work all over the kurta. These are the pants with this. Inner attached on the kurta and pants. And this comes with this dupatta. Malmal dupatta it is with these tassels on the sides. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2195. This is a similar design in the same muslin fabric with this pitta work, with this pant and dupatta. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2195. Now this is a cotton fabric, lurex, with this embroidery on the neck. These are the tassels on the sides. This comes with this divider with gota detailings and dupatta with this. See the dupatta, Lehriya dupatta with gota detailings. We have two colors in this, blue and yellow. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 1895. Now I'll show you melange collection. This is the design in melange. See the embroidery with this gota work, real gota work all over the kurta. These are the pants with gota detailings and pure chiffon dual shade dupatta with this. We have 3 colors in this: green, this is onion pink, and mustard yellow. So we have 3 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2195. This is the second design in melange. See the real gota work with real mirrors. These are original mirrors. This is the mirror work with this. See the design. Real gota work all over the kurta. These are the pants with gota detailings and pure chiffon dual shade dupatta with gota detailings. Again we have 3 colors in this. This is light yellow. This is peach and brown. So 3 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2195. 2195 is the price. And this is the third design in melange. This we have restocked after a huge demand. Everybody was asking for this design. So this time in melange it is. See the embroidery with mirror work. See the design. This is the pant with this, with gota detailings and pure chiffon dual shade dupatta with this, with gota detailings. Again we have 3 colors in this: green, yellow, this is mustard yellow, and pink. So 3 colors in this. Sizes available are 38 to 46 and the price is 2295. 2295 is the price. Now at the end, the one I am wearing, see the peplum dress with this short jacket and sharara. See the dress, how it looks. This is the peplum kurta. These are the sleeves. This is the short jacket with this handwork. This is the sharara with this. See the flare of the sharara with gota detailings, block print kurta with block print sharara and pure chiffon dupatta with gota detailings. Sizes available are 38 to 44 and the price is 2595. Price for this is 2595. And also I would like to tell you that I got this choker set in AD as a Diwali gift from Just Add Dazzle. I'll share up the link with below the video. You can always shop from here. And also they have their own manufacturing. See the earrings. See this choker set. I got this as a gift from them. You can buy from them. I'll just share the link below the video. They have their own manufacturing, so wholesalers can also contact. Thank you so much everyone.